Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into 5 Selenium projects that can boost your resume and help you land that dream job. We're talking about the kind of projects that make you stand out from the crowd, the ones that make recruiters go, wow, this person knows their stuff. Whether you're just starting out with Selenium or you've got a bit of experience under your belt, these projects will level up your skills and showcase your abilities to potential employers. All right, let's kick things off with an automated web scraper, a classic when it comes to showcasing your Selenium skills. Imagine this. You build a tool that effortlessly navigates through websites, plucks out specific data points, and organizes them neatly into a spreadsheet or database. That's the power of web scraping with Selenium. You can scrape product information from e-commerce sites, gather data for market research, or even track news articles from different sources. The possibilities are really endless here. To build this project, you'll be using Selenium's WebDriver to interact with web pages, just like a real user would. You'll learn how to locate elements on a page, extract their text content, and handle dynamic content that loads asynchronously. And here's the cool part. You can even incorporate libraries like Beautiful Soup to help you parse and structure the extracted data. It's like having a virtual assistant that does all the tedious data entry work for you. Trust me, having a polished web scraper project on your resume demonstrates your ability to work with real-world data, which is a highly sought-after skill in today's job market. Next up, we're diving into the world of e-commerce with an automated testing project. Now, e-commerce websites are constantly evolving, with new features and updates being rolled out frequently. And that's where Selenium comes in to save the day. Imagine building a suite of automated tests that rigorously check every nook and cranny of an e-commerce site. Your tests can simulate user interactions like browsing products, adding items to the cart, and going through the entire checkout process. With Selenium, you can ensure that all those critical functionalities are working flawlessly, providing a seamless shopping experience for customers. You can write tests to verify that product searches are returning accurate results, discount codes are applied correctly, and orders are processed smoothly. And here's the pro tip. Integrate your Selenium tests with a testing framework like Testing or Junit to organize your tests, generate detailed reports, and make it super easy to track bugs. Having this level of automated testing on your resume shows potential employers that you understand the importance of quality assurance and that you have the skills to ensure a smooth user experience. Chapter 3. Social Media Automation. Now let's talk about automating those repetitive tasks that we encounter every day, especially on social media. Selenium isn't just for testing, it's also incredibly powerful for automating a wide range of tasks. Think about it. Scheduling posts, liking content, following users, the list goes on. These tasks can eat up a lot of your time, but with Selenium you can automate them and free yourself up to focus on more strategic initiatives. Imagine building a project that automatically logs into your social media accounts, posts updates at optimal times, and even interacts with your followers. You can create a system that runs in the background, quietly handling all your social media tasks while you work on other things. You can even take it a step further and use Selenium to extract data from social media platforms, like tracking mentions of your brand or analyzing competitor activity. This kind of automation showcases your ability to streamline workflows and improve efficiency, which are valuable skills in any role. Chapter 4. Continuous integration with Selenium. Let's talk about CI/CD, or continuous integration and continuous delivery. This is where things get really interesting, especially if you're aiming for those high-level software engineering roles. Now, CI/CD is all about automating the software development and deployment process, making it faster and more efficient. And guess what? You can integrate your Selenium tests directly into this pipeline. Imagine this: you make some changes to your code base, and as soon as you push those changes, your CI/CD pipeline automatically triggers your Selenium tests to run. This means you get instant feedback on whether your changes have broken anything, allowing you to catch and fix bugs early on in the development cycle. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Azure DevOps make it incredibly easy to integrate Selenium into your workflow. Having this level of automation on your resume demonstrates that you understand modern development practices and that you can seamlessly integrate your testing efforts into a larger development ecosystem. Chapter 5: Cross-Browser Testing Suite. For our final project, let's talk about ensuring your web applications work flawlessly across different browsers and devices, because, let's face it, nobody wants to deal with compatibility issues. Imagine building a robust testing suite that runs your Selenium tests across multiple browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and even Edge. And not just different browsers, but different versions of those browsers, because people rarely update their software. With Selenium, you can write tests once and then run them in parallel across these different environments, saving you a ton of time and effort compared to manually testing on each browser. You can use tools like Selenium Grid or cloud-based testing platforms like Source Labs or BrowserStack to make this process even smoother. Having a solid cross-browser testing strategy shows potential employers that you care about providing a consistent and seamless user experience, regardless of how someone chooses to access your application. Outro: 5 Selenium projects that will get you hired. There you have it. 5 Selenium projects that can make your resume stand out. Start building these today and take a step closer to your dream job. Remember, it's not just about knowing the technical stuff. It's about showcasing your passion, your creativity, and your ability to solve real-world problems. So get out there, build something awesome, and who knows, you might just land your dream job in the process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and project ideas.